What's up with the YouTube? It's your boy on there, man. I'm back with another video. Listen, y'all hear that rattling? Can you hear it? Can you hear the rattling? That's right. My shit is making noise, man. But it's still running. So what I'm finna do today, go get that rattling fixed, man. And I'm gonna take y'all with me, man. Let's go. We finna go get this thing. Get this rattling fix. That's what's gonna happen. So, like I was saying, my Cadillac converter is loose and it's rattling. So what I'm finna do, I'm finna go get it fixed before I go to work because the truck been sitting up because of that. And I'm tired of it sitting up. I ain't been able to ride it. Plus it was cold. I ain't wanna ride it while it was cold. I ain't wanna crack another rim, you know what I'm saying? Cause I did crack one set of rims and I got 3 of them, and the rims are discontinued. When I tried to buy another rim, I couldn't buy one because it was discontinued. So I bought another set of rims from somebody else. With that being said, I'm riding chrome. I ain't want the chrome to crack during the winter time when it was snowing and with the wood. And I don't have the tires that I want on the truck. I want mud grips. I ain't been able to buy none yet. I'm gonna get some. I just ain't got around to it. So I've been riding these streets. So trying to be careful on these streets because I don't want to have to buy another set of rims from nobody or new or whatever. So yeah, that's what's been going on. And the truck still rides good. It still drives good. It just, when I'm in park, the Cadillac converter do a little rattling. So it kind of sounds like my motor knocking. So I hadn't been driving it because of that. That's embarrassing to pull up in a clean ass truck and the motor, sound like the motor knock or something rattling, you know. So I'm headed to get that fixed. I'm supposed to be at work, to be honest. I'm supposed to be at work, but this is a must. I gotta get it done, and I'm gonna just be late this week, one day this weekend. That's just what it's gonna be. If they mad, when I get there, I just leave and go home. I mean, these jobs gotta understand, man. People got stuff they gotta get done. They gotta be understanding, but I mean, as you see, I am a maintenance man, man. See my name? Okay, yeah. But I ain't got the tools to cut off my Cadillac converter or weld another straight pipe back on. If they gonna pay somebody to do that. And I'm keeping my Cadillac converter, man. If something in it, I'ma sell it. If ain't nothing in it, I'ma trash it. But I'm keeping it because they be making money off these Cadillac converters, man, when they cut them off for people and people don't know how much they actually work. Yeah, it's platinum in your Cadillac converter, man. Get it cut off. Keep it, sell it to somebody that's selling it to scrap iron, or you can go find you somebody that's buying it and get you a couple $100, you know. I mean, put you up on game now. If you want to know, that's what you can do. I'm finna go on here and drive, y'all. I am in the truck and we is rolling, and it do got my check engine light on. That's the only reason why my check engine light on is because of the Cadillac converter rattling, not breathing right. Everything else, all the tires, that's on because of the rims, and the traction light is on because of the lift on the truck. It's been like that since I bought it. It's no problem. I had the truck a year and a couple months. About to get this music playing, man. Enjoy this little ride to where I'm going, and I'll get back with y'all once I get there. And I'm the first one at the shop. And If y'all ever in the Mississippi area, Grenada area, vapor area, and y'all need some muffler work, pipes done, anything of that good nature. Even if you need your coffee, man, listen, I call these places the car doctors, man. Listen, they do a hell of a job. Always good business. Always. Round. Anything you need done, they don't paint, none of that, but mechanical work, come holler at them. They'll get you right. So yeah, guys, man, check this out. Y'all just know the truck just came off the rack. It wasn't the Cadillac converter, man. It wasn't the Cadillac converter. I'm headed to another shop. He said, the guy, Billy A. Riles, said it's in my flywheel torque converter, somewhere in that nature. I'm taking it to David Hoop. David Hoop is a mechanic where I'm located at, and he's a good motor transmission mechanic. If you need any work on your motor and transmission, David Hoop. Listen, take it over there, man. I'm gonna show y'all once I get there. I'm on the route right now, and Bay gonna come pick me up, man. T-Love is coming to pick me up. We're headed with all this pollen on the truck to take it to another shop. I'm supposed to be at work, man. I'm supposed to got the Cadillac converter cut off and been on my way to work. It's supposed to get bad today. The weather is supposed to get bad. So I'm trying to get this done. I can have my truck by the weekend, y'all. I need my truck rolling by the weekend. I can fill some blocks, you know. Do a couple rides, you know what you do with your car. Right now, I gotta stop and get some gas. Woo-hoo! That gas light on E. So let me pull up with this knocking truck, this clean knocking truck at that, and get some gas. So I'm gonna go over here. Y'all see that gas price, man? $4 for some dang gas. $4. Let me go over here, get some gas, man. Pull up to number 2. Let me run in and get some gas. I got the gas, and look where my gas hand went to, y'all. Y'all know it was on E. I put $20 in here. That's all it did for me. $20. I fill it up once it get fixed. I don't wanna put $80 in here, $100 in here to fill it up, and she making all this noise and I ain't gonna drive. I'm finna jump in the other wheel, finna rock out, clean to work once I drop this off at the shop. And these vehicles, man, I understand, my pockets ain't your pockets and your pockets ain't my pockets. I got what I got. You feel what I'm saying? I'm riding what I'm riding until I get where I wanna be, man. I got a lot of haters around here, man, so I don't need to get nothing expensive or spend too much money on something, man. I had to keep on going through insurance claims. These people is hating around here, man. I feel like if I move somewhere they don't know me, they ain't got no reason to hate right off top. I know it's gonna be haters there too. It'll be different. They can hate up under their breath. See, these folk be hating, and people will come and tell me somebody been to said something, but won't tell me who said it. You see what I'm saying? 9 times out of 10, I already know who my haters are. You know what I'm saying? I know who mad, I know who's jealous, I know who got something to say. I mean, it's crazy. It's crazy, man. I promise you, it's crazy. I drove the truck the other day to work, and somebody was like, I wouldn't even do my truck like that. I wouldn't have did that. Well, that's you said right, the point. I'm not you, I'm me. So I'm gonna do what I wanna do. You feel what I'm saying? I'm gonna put together how things I feel like need to be put together. I ain't going off nobody else, I'm going off me. When I got this rap, wasn't nobody riding multicolored cars, you know what I'm saying? Wasn't nobody riding raps, they were riding raps, but they wasn't riding flip-flop, chameleon. I did it, now everybody wanna do it, but I mean, it's okay. It's okay. Shoot the people the truth and tell people where you got the idea from, you know what I'm saying? Give somebody their props, man. Listen, I dropped the truck and stayed off Facebook for a minute, man. All my likes and stuff started going down. Like, I don't know if Facebook doing it or people just ain't effing with me. I mean, I really don't know. Since I started YouTube, I don't get them many likes no more, I already know women, men don't want them liking my stuff. So, cause, I feel like I'm a guru. You feel me? I mean, that's just what it is. I ain't trying to be hard. I ain't trying to be nothing, but I'm trying to take care of myself and make money and get it out the mud. Go where I need to go in life. I mean, make sure my kids eat. you know, when they get older, even though they mama's robbing me now. You see what I'm saying? So I mean, it don't make sense to me, man, for y'all to be hating for no reason, man. I'm grinding too. You see what I'm saying? I'm trying to shine too. Y'all feel like I got something when I feel like I ain't got enough. You feel what I'm saying? Y'all gotta stop that, man. I ain't nowhere near where I wanna be in life. Quit hating. If you ain't made it to the point I'm at in life, then it ain't my fault. It's your own. Blame yourself. Don't be mad at the next man. I'm riding in my truck. I ain't pay that much for it. You feel what I'm saying? Not to me. You mad because you paying a car note. It ain't my fault, bro. Listen, grind like I grind. Take notes. You know, I took all work today just because I need to get my truck fixed and back running. I ain't drove it in about 2 months just because of the little rattling noise. You feel what I'm saying? It's still drivable. I mean, I'm still going. I mean, it ain't slowing down. I ain't stopping. I ain't none of that. It's just the noise. I gotta get it fixed. I didn't want to drive it, and I ain't have to drive it. I mean, it is what it is. That's just like I gotta get my Cadillac fixed. I gotta get the Cadillac fixed. You know, when I get the Cadillac fixed, then they gonna be mad about that. But the Cadillac been down for 2 years, and it ain't nothing but the starter wire and a couple wires to the tail light. The motor and transmission good in that. It's good. I mean, take off and go where you want to go. All you gotta do is fire it up. I just ain't replaced the starter wire. Each his own, man. If you want to be a hater, be a hater. Your hating ain't doing nothing but motivate me. That's all I'm gonna say. Hating is motivating me to do greater. You see what I'm saying? Because the fact that y'all think I'm doing something now, and I feel like I ain't doing enough, damn, do not make me grind harder, man. I just start back posting pictures on Facebook, man. If you ain't subscribed to the channel, man, subscribe to the channel, man. That's what I need y'all to do. That's what I need y'all to do, man. Leave a like on the video, man. Drop a comment, man. Tell me what y'all think, man. I'm going to keep it real with you. That's all I can do. That's all I can do. I'm going to keep it real with you. I can't fake it with you. If I don't talk to you, I can't fake and hold a conversation with you. If I'm talking to you, then I'm fucking with you. You feel me? I mean, that's just what it is. Yeah, baiting them over there. Look. Can y'all see him? Going in the Dollar General. She finna come pick me up. Yeah, that's T-Love over there. T-Love finna come pick me up. I just don't understand, man. I just don't understand. I done made it, y'all, so the truck didn't tear up on the way. I did make it. Y'all listen to the truck again, man. This is David Book Shop, man. Don't judge a book by its cover. That's what I'm gonna tell you. Good morning, good morning. You want me to just leave the key in it? All right. So, I'm gonna leave the key with Dave. I'm gonna leave it in the truck, y'all. Well, y'all finna leave the truck. Y'all see it when I pick it up. Look at her, y'all. T-Love in the building and came to pick me up. And guess what? She way down here. She had them pads. She went through there. I tried to catch her, but I ain't catch her in time. She done made 50 blocks. All right, we gonna holler at the baby bye. You see what I'm saying? Hey, yo, can y'all hear something else? Listen. Y'all hear anything? You hear anything? Sewing machine? All right, yo, listen to these motherfuckers low. Can't even see them motherfuckers. Where the fuck they at? Where the fuck the pipes at? Oh, there you go. See it. See it. You hear the motherfucker Loki? Yeah. Hey. It's your boy Iamonio, man. Hey, it's been a beautiful day, man. Until now. Now it wanna rain, but I finished my day at work. I picked the truck up today, so it's fixed. Check engine light gone off. We back in business. Didn't take much, man. Just a day off of work to get stuff done. It is what it is. Hey, I had to do it so I can ride tonight. So I can ride the bar. So I could have been riding anyway, but without the tick, 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 tick. It's your boy Iamonio, man. Now I'm checking out with another video.